We visited the Granbazan Winery in search of more delicious Albarino. We met Carolina Garcia Otero, who provided us with an amazing experience. Carolina gave us a tour of the winery, and she also showed us how they produce their delicious wine.
It's tasting time, folks. So we're getting ready to taste the Granbazan Albarino. ¿Y es la primera botella del año estos?
¿Vas a probar? ¿Puedes probar? Las primeras botellas, sí.
So I'm going to be tasting the first bottles of the year, 2017. So we're really excited, or I'm really excited.
Carolina provided an impressive tasting experience with 3 wines and canned specialties.
So our very first bottle is very good for just an appetizer, an aperitivo. So maybe some cheese, a little bit of jamon, ham, little olives or sardines with a little bit of olive oil. So that's what this first bottle is very good for. So we're trying now, or we're tasting their star bottle, which is Etiqueta Ambar. This is their #1 producing bottle, so we can't wait. This is the second bottle we're going to be tasting.
Es un 2016. Notas, a ver si notas, ¿no? Un poco que es más graso, más cremoso, está más tiempo,
Sí.
más maduro.
So it's a 2016, a little bit more creamy. Definitely not as bitter, or not as bitter as the first bottle we had that was really good with an aperitivo.
We progressed to our third bottle, the Ganbazan Limousin. This is their barrel fermented Albarino and aged for half a year in French oak barrels.
We had an amazing experience here at Bodega Granbazan. We were able to learn about the history of the bodega. It's relatively new compared to other wineries in the area. It's been around for about 40 years from the Martinez family, who about 6 months ago sold the winery to a group or a winery in La Rioja region of northern Spain. So of course, the family's still helping out with the bodega. There's still a huge connection to the land. And even though it's only a 40-year-old bodega, the land here is, of course, goes back centuries, and people farming it, people working the land. So the Gallegos always have a connection to the land, and they put that connection and that feeling, that passion for what they call their tierra, or their homeland, into their bottle. And that passion does definitely come out when you taste these bottles. Luckily, we had a fantastic guide, Carolina. It was able to show us how they process the wine here. We were able to taste 3 fantastic bottles. One I'm taking back with me to our hotel, but we will taste that a little later. So again, great experience here at Bodega Granbazan, and we are looking forward to you joining us this summer and fall of 2018. We'll see you at our next stop.